Hello guys, good morning guys. So to this video guys, now install this repairing this PCB board. Now here at the tukba. See all everything is wiring here. This error code, this HC, otherwise it's coming also P6 because of this communication, this damage. This communication is damaged. I change now new communication. After we will see later after we're good, inshallah good. Okay guys, thank you for watching guys, and please subscribe and follow my account Facebook. Thank you, bye bye. It's very hot.